Hi students, problem number 13. The turns ratio of a transformer is given as 2:3. If the current passing through the primary coil is 3 ampere, then the current through the load resistance is to be determined. So what do you mean by the current through the load resistance? It is a secondary current. Current through the secondary coil we have to find out. I primary is given, I secondary is asked. The simplest possible problem in any competitive exam from this chapter means I can say this only. Okay students, now the turns ratio, you have to correctly understand this. Turns ratio is given by, okay, the ratio of the number of turns in the secondary divided by the number of turns in the primary. This only is the turns ratio, okay, and this is equal to the ratio of the current in the primary divided by the current in the secondary. This carefully you have to write here. Ns by Np is equal to Ip by Is. Suppose voltage ratio means that is different. That is once again V secondary by V primary. Okay. So here, what are all the given quantities? What is the number of, what is the ratio Ns by Np? So N secondary by Np is given. It is given as what? 2:3. That means 2/3. And what is the current in the primary given? I primary is equal to 3 ampere. It is merely direct substitution, that's all. Left hand side Ns by Np has to be substituted by 2/3. Okay, therefore 2/3 is equal to I primary is 3. So 3 divided by I secondary. Therefore, what is I secondary? So I secondary is equal to 3 into 3, 9 by 2. So this is equal to 4.5 ampere. So 4.5 ampere is the right answer. Okay. So option A. So option A is the right answer. Very simple problem. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.